In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files on Zoho WorkDrive. Let's get started by navigating to the Zoho WorkDrive dashboard. At first glance, you'll notice several sections ready to assist you with your file management needs. There's the Recent Files section for those documents you've accessed most recently, and Favorites for files you've marked for easy access. You'll likely spend a good amount of time in the Shared with Me area, which houses all the files others have shared with you. You can also visit the Collect Files section if you need to gather files from external contributors. Here, you have a convenient spot for accepting documents. And of course, My Folders is where you'll find files you've organized yourself, while Team Folders gives you a peek into collaborative spaces shared with your team. Now let's find a specific file you want to share. Head over to the My Folders section if the file is one of your own, or perhaps Recent Files if you've opened it lately. Once you've located your file, hover over it. A little menu icon, often 3 dots stacked vertically, should appear. It's an important icon. Clicking it will offer a range of options from previewing to renaming, but today we're interested in sharing. When you select Share, a dialog box will pop up, asking for the email addresses of those you're sending the file to. Remember, these must be Zoho accounts for full access. Type each recipient's email into the field provided. If you're sharing with multiple people, separate the emails with a comma or simply press Enter after each one. This system is all about productivity and keeping it streamlined. Now, your next step is selecting the appropriate permissions. You have 3 main choices available: Can Edit, Can Comment, and View Only. Choose Can Edit if you want to allow alterations or additions to the file. This might be necessary if you're collaborating on a project. If feedback is the goal, selecting Can Comment enables your colleagues to leave notes or suggestions without modifying the original content. Lastly, View Only grants access to view the file without the ability to make changes or comments, perfect for when you need someone to look over a document but maintain its integrity. Before you hit that final Share button, double-check the details. You don't want any mix-ups with email addresses or permissions. Mistakes can cause delays, especially if someone ends up with the wrong level of access. And there you have it. You've mastered the art of sharing files on Zoho WorkDrive. Remember, this platform's features are designed to keep you organized and efficient. Explore and make the most of it. Keep practicing, and soon, sharing files will feel as natural as clicking Save. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.